my name's Hedy. I'm the big cheese founder of travel gift card mytab.co, not .com. Coming to you from San Francisco with my best friend Muppet Bundle Cundle, who's just so insanely fed up. Today we're going to talk about how to do payroll in Excel. Don't think that it's really daunting. Don't think that it's absolutely exhausting or draining. Think about it as really simple. You know why? Because Microsoft has already created the template and the formula. You just fill in the gaps. Let me show you now. Okay, payroll in Excel. You go to Excel, click down here under all these little documents and icons, and then obviously you can see all the different templates are down here. Look at this, P&L statement came up. All you're doing is filling in the gaps. The actual templates laid up, the financial equations are laid out. Everything is all done for you, which makes life so much easier. This is an absolute no-brainer. I hate anything to do with finance and numbers, and I can even do this. If I can do this, you absolutely completely do this. So you look at the formulas already lined up and ready to go. So all you're doing is basically just filling in the gaps. It will auto calculate for you because the formulas have already been pre-set up, okay? Right down to the taxes, right down to the final details. So anytime that you're over on Excel and you're dabbling around with this, you can look at the payroll, which is the basic standard version, but you can also use other versions as well, which is not, obviously that's going to be your basic P&L version, but there's other different versions as well that you can play around with just now. So you can save your documents and then you're good to go. Look at all these other ones that are down here. You've got expense reports, you've got other different kinds of financial reports as well. Look at all the different reporting, look at your receipt data. There's a ton down here. You can keep all your finances, all your accounts, everything completely in check with your Excel file. So when you're looking at something like Outlook, I mean, I know there's all different apps that are out there now and you can play around with them. When it comes down to brass tacks, a P&L and finances is a basic P&L and finances, and that's finances. This is the way it goes. It's incredibly simple. It has to be done in one formula because that's basically what makes a P&L a P&L. What do you think? Yes? You do? So go into Excel, go into the type of versions that you want to do. When you go into File, you can go into Open and they'll show you all different versions that you can play around with. Click on the one that says basically receipts or banking or finance, etc. and it will open up the template. All the formulas are already in there for adding, subtracting, multiplications, etc. and off you go. My name's Hedy. I'm the big cheese founder of travel gift card mytab.co, not .com. Muppet keeps hitting yourself. And this is my best friend.